Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at RE/MAX Escarpment.
And I'm Darla Yulden, Realtor with RE/MAX Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest listing at number 98, 122 Bunting in St. Catharines.
This is a wonderful bungalow. It's a semi-detached. It has 2+1 bedrooms. It has 2 full baths, and it's ready to move in.
Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Thank you for visiting us at 98, 122 Bunting in St. Catharines.
If you'd like to book an appointment to see this property,
or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in St. Catharines, please call us.
my name is Darla. You can reach me at 289-888-1987.
And my name is Mark, 905-512-1846.